Every one of us is riding a giant animal, and it can't be stopped. So, what is it? It's your daily investment of time and compounding. You see, a lot of people think of investing and compounding purely in money terms, but it applies to literally everything you do. Every single action is a vote/investment into your future, and many are investing into creating an absolute nightmare. They just don't realize it yet. They steer the animal into dangerous terrain, lose balance, and then get brutally trampled by it. So ask yourself, where are you steering this giant animal? The longer it drifts off course, the harder and more energy expensive it is to shift direction. The good news is, the animal is a million times more powerful than you and can work that much harder. You just have to be on the right side of its strength. And if you ignore this, you're not gonna make it. Your man, am I. P.S. What gets measured gets managed, which is why I created a special habit tracker to help you keep compounding in your favor. Click the link in the description to learn more.